Greetings guys, today I will show you how to downgrade to unsigned iOS versions using the new Future Restore GUI version for Windows. It is the easiest method ever and yeah, no comments. It is straightforward GUI. So first of all go to this website. You will find this website in the description. Next, download the Windows version of Future Restore GUI. If you are on a Mac, you can use the Mac version or you can use a universal version that runs on Linux. So I am on Windows. I have downloaded the Windows version from here. For this to work, you need Java, and when you run it for the first time, it will bring you to this website to install Java, and just install it and you are done. Now guys, open the TSS Saver website and we have to retrieve the blob that we can use to downgrade to our version that is unsigned. So for that, open iTunes, connect your iPhone and click the serial number until you see the ECID. Copy, copy the ID and then paste the ECID here. This will only work if you have previously saved blobs when that version was signed. Click on submit and all the previously saved SHSH blobs in this list. So let's say I want to go to 14.2. Just click it and click on no app nonce and download this blob. Many people were asking me that they are not finding the no app nonce one option. So let's say it is 14.3. You can use this blob, okay, and this will work. So let me download the 14.2 blob. Okay, the blob is downloaded now. Next guys, open this website that is ipsw.me. Select your device. In my case, it's an iPhone. So it is an iPhone SE that I am using. So guys, at the time of making this video, these versions are signed 14.4.1, 14.4. Alright, so I want to downgrade to 14.2. I will pick it and download this file. I have already downloaded this file to my computer. I'll show you how to set the nonce value for your jailbreak. I am currently jailbroken with Uncover and I will show you the way to do it on Uncover and Checkra both. So just go to your blob file, open with Notepad. Once open, just Control F, type here generator, and you will find the generator key. We are focusing on this string right here. Tap the gear icon, scroll down, and you will see generator. Now my generator is 0 multiplied by 16 times 1. Now set the generator. Alright, click return and the generator is now set. Click on done and you are good to go. For Checkra, just open Cydia, go to sources, You need to add this source, that is hello michael's CDR repo. That is hello michael.github.io/repo. Just add this repo and then search for generator auto setter and install it. Restart Springboard. So you are good to go. Generator is set. If you want to see the full guide that you can use to downgrade using the checkra jailbreak, please see the link in the description. Now, now we are ready to use Future Restore. Run as administrator, and you will see the GUI right here. Run it as administrator, and you will see the GUI right here. So first of all, download Future Restore. You will see that it is now downloading Future Restore. It has automatically downloaded the latest version of Future Restore, which is Future Restore version 194. Now select the blob file. Okay, here is my blob file. Select the target IPSW. So here it is. It is the 14.2 version that I want to downgrade to. Click on open. So guys, if you don't want to lose your data and just want to keep your data and also want to downgrade, you can check this option, the update option. In this process, you can use the latest baseband and latest SEP. So if you want to see how to extract those basebands and SEPs manually, you can see the link in the description. There is a complete guide that you can use to downgrade using the Windows CMD method. That one is very easy also. Now when you have selected everything, just click on Start Future Restore. It will then download the latest baseband and latest SEP for you, and the restore will proceed and succeed without errors. I am already on. You can use the same process to downgrade to an unsigned version, provided the SEP and the baseband is compatible. This method is very easy. If you see any problem, you can always ask in the comments and I will help you. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.